Guys, if I tell you that this very background you are looking at is 100% fake, yet 100% realistic, and you too can achieve this kind of background if you so wish. Gone are the days when people complain of not being able to make YouTube videos because of their background. Some complain of not having that perfect background. Some say they are living in school, village, and all that. No. These days, even if you are living in Sambisa forest, you can always make your videos, okay? All you need to do is for you to change the background of your choice. You can choose to have living room background, kitchen background, and bedroom background. Any background of your choice. You see that there is no more limitation. Go ahead and make that amazing videos and drop them, okay? Now, there are a few things you have to put into consideration if you want to achieve a fake and yet 100% realistic background like mine. These things are as follow. But before I go into that, I want you to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will get to recommend this video to wider range of audience, because there are so many people that are having this same issue and they have not been able to make videos because of their background. All right, the number one thing you need to put into consideration if you want to achieve a very good realistic background like mine is this. First, you have to make the video and get your images ready. That is the video you need to use. You have to film yourself and get your images and set them aside. You can use WhatsApp AI to get your images. Then you can use Chat GPT to get your images, or you use Pixabay to get your images. Later on, I will show you on the screen how you can use some of these apps to get your images. The second thing you have to put into consideration is your editing apps. All right, I use CapCut and inshot. I shuffle between the two because I love these two apps and they are so easy to use. So if you don't have it, you can go ahead and download any of them or the both. But if you have any app that you are using already that is so easy for you, you can go ahead and use that. The third thing you need to put into consideration if you want to have this kind of realistic background is your filming background. All right, this particular part is very important. Now, you don't need to film your video in a very busy background. That is, your room should be very plain. It should not be so busy. Don't film in a room that is having cushions, curtains, and television or other things. No, film in a very plain background. You can see my background. My original background is so plain, okay? Now, another thing you have to put into consideration is your clothes. The clothes you are wearing should be different from your original background so that they will complement each other, okay? That is set aside. Then the fourth thing you need to put into consideration should be your motions. You have to control your motions. The way you move your body, the way you shake your head, you move your hands, you have to control it in as much as you want to obtain this kind of background. Because if you keep shaking your head, keep shaking your hands, at the end of the day you will not get a very clean video. So just minimize the way you move your body. All right, the last thing that you need to put into consideration is your channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel where you will be dropping this video, I will be dropping the link here. So immediately you finish watching this video, go ahead and watch that video and learn how you can achieve and learn how you can create a monetizable channel, a channel that will get you monetized in no time. So it will be of no use after learning all these things and you don't have a channel of your own. So go ahead and watch that video so that you can create that amazing videos and upload them there. I think that is all for now. All right, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell for subsequent amazing and informative videos like this. All right, let's go to the screen. Let me show you how you can achieve this kind of background of mine. You know how we do it here. There is no waiting, no loitering, no hanging. Keep moving. Keep moving. So let's get to the screen. Oh yeah, to the screen. Let's go. Let me show you how you can achieve this kind of realistic and yet fake background of mine. Let's go.
Screen of my phone, we are moving straight to Pixabay to get our images. Okay, come right here and type Pixabay. Okay, I have it already here. Pixabay free images. If you want to use bedroom background or let's say living room background, you can issue a command of exactly what you want. So here now I am going to type bedroom images background. Okay, so this is it, bedroom images background. So okay it and allow it to bring out different type. All right, you can see these are different bedroom background. So all you need to do is tap on any one here and then download. There are many of them. You can see different bedroom background. Just tap on any one you want and download it. If you want living room background, the same thing. That is what you have to do here. Okay, all right, let's go. Now we are going straight to inshot. If you don't have inshot, please download inshot. So I am going to bring in my own image that I have downloaded before now. So this is it. Then I go to canvas. I click on canvas to expound this to YouTube image, a YouTube size. You can see that there are different sizes here. To expand it here, this is YouTube size 16 to 9. So I okay it. Avoid the story that touches the heart. First of all, remove this InShot logo. Remove it. Click here and it will remove it for free. Okay, just hold on. Fine, you see that InShot logo is gone, because sometimes if you don't remove it at the beginning, you might end up exporting the video without remembering to remove it, and YouTube does not like that. So the next thing you need to do is to drag this to the size of your video. You have to drag your background to be the same size with your video. Next is for me to bring in my already edited video. So I have to look for PIP. Okay, this is it. I click on it and go straight to video and bring in my already edited video, which is about 4 minutes thereabout. Yes, just my already edited video. The next thing I have to do here is to look out for cut. Cut out will do the magic. I tap on cut out to remove my original background. Okay, it's going to remove this background and make it to be plain. All right, if by now you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video so that YouTube will get to push this video to other people. All right, and they don't equally forget to turn on your notification bell. So I click on cut out. Is going to automatically remove the background of this video. So as you can see, it is on 10%. So it have to get to 100% for it to be totally free. So we are going to wait for this to remove the background totally. Okay, so that we won't have any issue at all. And it is 100% free. So now The next thing you need to do is to use the tip of your finger to expand it and drop it to anywhere of your choice, anywhere you wish. You can drop this image. If you want to drop it this side, if you drop it this side, it will cover the bed. I think the best place to drop it is here. Okay, that is it. All right. I think it's okay right away. You have to give it a gap between your head and the end of the screen. Okay, so let's play this image and see how it is.
Guys, if I tell you that this YouTube background you are looking at is 100% fake, yet 100% realistic, and you too can achieve this background if you so wish. All you need to do is to follow me while I walk you step by step on how I was able to achieve this fake realistic background. Okay, gone are the days when people.
I think the whole thing is okay. Everything is in place, perfectly okay. So, this is what you can do, the steps you can take to achieve a realistic background like mine. I hope by now you have subscribed, and if you have not, please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. See you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.